There is a lovely way to do this question which doesn't require many calculations. It's all about the triangles in the shape. They are isosceles, so I can put a little line here and here. They've got 90 degrees, and then these angles are 45. I can draw them away from the shape, so this is the first one on the right, but then the second one would look a bit like this, and then the ones below like that. And what we've actually created is a square, because this must be 90 degrees because the angles are 45 in the triangle. These are 90 here. Okay, brilliant. Now the side lengths of the octagon are 1, which means that this square is 1, which means that the 4 triangles together have exactly the same area as the middle square, because that also has side lengths of 1. So let's focus on the hatched region. We have 2 rectangles plus 1 square, whereas the shaded region is again 2 rectangles, but I've only actually got 3 of the 4 rectangles shaded. So it's in fact going to be 3/4 of a square. Now, the square has side lengths of 1, which means the full area is going to be 1 centimetre squared, or whatever the unit is. And if I just want to work out a quarter of it, this bit here, and that is going to be the same as this missing triangle, then it's simply going to be 1 divided by 4, or a quarter, and that is our answer. Let me just talk now about an alternative way to do this question. It is again to consider the triangle. Side length 1 is isosceles, so I could label both of these x. X squared plus x squared, or 2x squared, must equal 1 squared. So x squared is equal to a half, and therefore x is 1 over root 2. So I've managed to work out the side lengths of the triangle, which means the area of a triangle will be a half times 1 over root 2 times 1 over root 2. This becomes 1 over 2, so the area is a quarter. So I can now look at the shaded area and see that I've got a quarter here, a quarter here, and a quarter here. I could work out the area of the rectangles, but just like before, I can see that they cancel each other out, so I don't actually need to find them out. And then for the square, because it's 1 by 1, the area is 1. And this is another way to show the difference between them. Well, I've got 3/4 for the triangles, 1 for the square, so the difference will be a quarter.